Ito sabihin ko kung sino yan si Acerto. Kasi sabi niya, I ignored his information about a certain young, yung may-ari ng DCLA dito sa Davao. Young came here sa Davao in 1999. I thought it was during the conference he was brought by a deputy mayor, Moro, Maranao. Sabi niya magnegosyo si Young. I distinctly remember I said, you can come here, do legal business, but don't do drugs. I will bury you alive. Alam mo, Acerto, Pahardo, at lahat kayong mga kurakot ng mga polis, putang ina ninyo, bantay kayo sa akin. Let's check kayo. Tignan mo. Kung hindi niyo ako maunahan, animal kayo, ubusin ko talaga. Yan ito sila. Kasi ito si Michael Young, ngayon lang ito nagsumulpot ang pangalan. At ang trabaho nitong si Pahardo, Acerto, silang yung mga Chinese magpunta dito, yung mag-investor, alam na may pera, hinuhuli nila, ikukulong nila sa isang lugar, tapos maghingi ng ransom, kasi daw nahuli na may, na to prevent na hindi mapriso ng, because ang droga, pag nahuli ka, diretso ka, no bail, at hindi ka ma-release. Kaya yung mga in-check na walang bayad. Yung Koreano na pinatay sa krame, and if you are viewing Netflix, ang tawag niyan, is it Narco. Narco. Yun yung at the end of the mga nakatawa yung mga opisyal. Yan si Acerto pati si Pahardo. They were the ones who killed that Korean. And ito si Acerto, ito yung broker ng AK-47, about 1,000 pieces, inimport niya at inibigay niya sa NPA. Tanungin ko kayong mga sundalo at polis, bakit buhay pa yang mga yan? Ayaw na ninyong patayin? O di sabihin ninyo. So, Police Senior Superintendent PNP, head of the group who spent most of their career in the anti-narcotics operations, dismissed from PNP effective August 14, 2016 due to procurement of AK-47 rifle which eventually landed in the possession of the New People's Army. Drug activity, head of the group who spent most of his career in the anti-narcotics operations with reputation of amassing wealth by recycling drugs that they have confiscated. Known as extortionists from apprehended suspects, especially Chinese nationals. Kaya sabi niya kahapon, hindi, kasi may, hindi ko binasa. May report daw sa Intel na tinuturo itong mga Chinese. Alam ko, maghuhuli itong putang inan to, tapos pira-pirayan niya. Kilala ko yung Chinese That Chinese guy Yang is always in the company of the ambassador of China. And every time Premier Wang of China comes, he is always a part of the entourage. Papayag kaya ang Chinese with their setup dito sa itong salita ko